Hey, so here's a handy thing. It's a remote that turns your light on and off. On and off. And I put a link below the video. It's a KED Sun. And it's got the neat diamonds on it. And you screw the mount to the wall and the little remote goes in there. But you could also take it to bed if you wanted to shut the light off. And how it works is there's just a element that you unscrew the light bulb, you screw in the thing, and then you screw the light bulb into that. And then you leave the switch on, and when you want to turn the light off, it turns the light off and on. So it's a remote, it comes with batteries, and it's fairly cheap. And again, the link is below the video, so check that out. If you have, like in my room, I'd have to walk all the way across the room to switch the switch for the light. And so if the room is dark, I can't see where the switch is. I'm stumbling around looking for the switch to turn the light on so I can see where the switch is to turn the light on. Kind of ridiculous. So this I put right by the door, so when I first walk in, I can just hit the button and voila, magique. All right, enjoy.